Hey guys, it's Vanessa Helen back here again. And yes, I did a makeup video today. I know my other video was like a brow tutorial, but that wasn't necessarily a makeup look, So I just wanted to do one on here for you guys since I haven't done one in a while. And this is the look right here. I started off not knowing what I wanted to do, honestly. I just knew that, the holidays are coming up and I wanted to do some festive look for you guys. So this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I got this eye look and, maybe want to try it out for yourselves, then just keep watching. Okay, so yeah, I figured, I know my last video was a brow tutorial, but that wasn't really like that makeup-y, I guess you can say, I started off doing makeup tutorials on my channel, so kind of wanted to get back into that. So I decided, why not, like Thanksgiving's coming up, just do some holiday looks. So I think I want to do a cut crease today. I'm going to use the Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star. I'm anxiously waiting for the Alien palette. I am so excited. Yes, I am a big Jeffree Star fan. Hopefully one day when I get big on YouTube and stuff, I'll be able to meet him. Imagine we like collab. That'd be the dream. Anyway, getting ahead of myself. Let's try and get to 100 subscribers first, yeah? And yes, like my last video, if you guys watched my last video, my brow tutorial, my daughter will be in the background, so if you hear her or like she's watching YouTube Kids. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. I already put a base on my lid. Let's just zoom you in a little closer. Cool. Okay, so we are going to start off with the color Dominatrix. I'm going to use a Morphe brush. It's the M506 brush right here. It's actually one of my favorite brushes. So right around here is when I started to pack in the color Dominatrix on my crease. And I'm just slowly packing the color in all the way. And now we're going to blend in circular motions. Okay, so I basically just sped up the process of me blending out that eyeshadow, so it's going to take like a couple minutes if you guys just want to fast forward this part or skip it. But yeah, just try to speed up the blending process. This is just me talking, rambling while I'm blending right here. I totally forgot this part. I put another shade on there in accident. This is me cleaning it up and just yeah, fixing that part. We're cutting the crease now. I just put some, this is what I always use for my eyeshadows. Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. And a ColourPop brush E8. Looks like that. I always use this one to cut my creases. So we're just gonna cut the crease now. I kind of just follow the shape of, sorry, I always look up here. I kind of just follow the shape of my lid, so again. So I'm just fast forwarding this part for you guys because this is basically me just cutting my crease, and usually it takes me a good minute because I like to get it really precise and clean, a good clean cut. I'm also using another brush with the shade Dominatrix to kind of clean the outside when I see that I have made a little bit of a mess with the concealer, just to, you know, clean it up. Yeah, so now I'm just cutting the crease, making sure it looks like a good clean cut crease. So now we're going to use that small little brush, the Morphe R43 brush right here, and we are going to dip into the shade of Frosting from the Androgyny palette. Okay, so basically I'm fast forwarding this part also because I ended up not liking this color right here. So you'll see later on that I kind of went over it with a different color, but yeah, I'm basically just fast forwarding it because this color is not going to be in the look. You know, I think I wanted to do like a simple cut crease, but I think I want to add a little color. So right here we're going to I'm basically just making more room on the cut crease to add color, which I will be doing after this. So I just decided to speed it up. I'm kind of struggling to find some light right here. Okay. Now we are going to add in another color. I guess I'll use this brush. And this shade is called, oh my god, let's see if I remember it. Military? Yep, military. I don't know why, I just wanted to add different color. I got like an angled brush right now, like that. Put some color on it and just outline my lid again. Sorry. So right now I'm just packing in that military color in the middle of my crease. So I just decided to speed up that process. This is the part where I got frustrated because the color wasn't blending out as smoothly as I liked it. But I just kept blending it to make it how I wanted it to be. Okay. I feel like it's coming together now. Okay. I think this could work. I think I am happy with this. I don't know if I want the gold though. I feel like this would go better with it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so I basically put Deja Vu over frosting because I wasn't liking the color theme with it. So yeah, I'm going to add some eyeliner with it. Can't find it. There you are. My NYX matte liquid liner, all-time favorite. So let's just put a line over. I've been a little rusty lately with my liner because I've been so into, like I said, I've been so into like eyeshadows lately that I haven't really been putting eyeliner because the look doesn't really need it sometimes, I feel. But then I noticed that because I stopped doing it for a while, I was getting a little rusty at it. It took me a while to actually do it, so let's just see if we can do this right, like that. Alright, that was pretty good. Alright guys, I am going to do the other eye off camera because I feel like this took me a while and the lighting right now is kind of bothering me. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other look off camera, the other eye off camera, and then come back. Alright you guys, so that is it for this look right here. A nice little Thanksgiving look for you guys, you know, holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave some comments down below if you guys have any suggestions or questions or anything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. My daughter.